Good evening, UK. Happy New Year. This is our first episode after the new year, and we wish this year to be a blessed, healthy, and happy year for everybody. This is your host, RJ Lalit from Jammu and Kashmir. And as we say in Dogri, तुसे सारियां गी नवे साल दियां मतियां मतियां मुबारकां. With me today is my colleague again, Shefalika.
Hello, Lalit, and Happy New Year to everyone who has tuned in. Let's start our first episode of the new year with a bang, Lalit. What do you say?
Exactly. Nothing less, nothing more. It has to be a fab show. So, as we are starting a new journey in this new year, so to start today's journey, I will start with in Jammu, as you know, is a city of temples, and we believe a lot in Devis and Datis. So, my first song today is a Bhajan. So, let's start with the pious bhajan. Duro Duro Yatri Aaye.
दूरा दूरा यात्रु आए बोलन जय जयकार मैया बोलन जय जयकार दूरा दूरा यात्रु आए बोलन जय जयकार मैया बोलन जय जयकार चुन्नियां पेटा थाल ले आए करन तेरा श्रृंगार मैया करन तेरा श्रृंगार चुन्नियां पेटा थाल ले आए करन तेरा श्रृंगार मैया करन तेरा श्रृंगार दिए माए नहीं करे अड़ियां कर दे अर्जा मिन्नता बड़ियां जग दिए माए नहीं करे अड़ियां अपने बच्चियां गी दर्शन दे ओइए सिंह सवार मैया ओइए सिंह सवार दूरा दूरा यात्रु आए बोलन जय जयकार मैया बोलन जय जयकार झूठी यारी झूठी सारी दुनियादारी यार भी झूठे झूठी यारी झूठी सारी रिश्तेदारी माँ बिना कुछ लाड लड़ाने कुसने देना दुलार मैया कुसने देना दुलार दूरा दूरा यात्रु आए बोलन जय जयकार मैया बोलन जय जयकार ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਐ ਪਗੈ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੈਸ਼ਨੋ ਰਾਣੀ ਬੁਆ ਦਾ ਲਿਆ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਮਈਆ ਬੁਆ ਦਾ ਲਿਆ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਦੂਰਾ ਦੂਰਾ ਯਾਤਰੂ ਆਏ ਬੋਲਣ ਜੈ ਜੈਕਾਰ ਮਈਆ ਬੋਲਣ ਜੈ ਜੈਕਾਰ
That's such a lovely song, and what a wonderful song to start the new year with. Thank you, Lalit. That was, we need all the blessings, don't we, this year? Blessings for everybody, from everybody, to tide through 2021. We had such a difficult 2020 across the world, especially in the UK. So, as far as Kashmir is concerned, they've had lots of snowfall. We've had pictures being sent from the Union Territory with children playing, making snowman. It's all very nostalgic at this time of the year. And this time it was quite special because of the lockdown, everybody's at home. So I saw lots of pictures of children making some really nice snowman. You know, there were people making penguins and birds, and, you know, all those kinds of things in the snow. And somebody had actually made some kind of a chariot or something, and I was like, oh wow, that is amazing. So I think it's because of the extra time people have on their hands. So let's listen to Rahul Manchu again today. We have played him before. So Rahul Manchu is a new and upcoming Kashmiri singer, and he hasn't sung many songs. I've only heard 3 or 4, but this one is really good. It was originally sung by Vijay Mallaji, who has unfortunately passed away. So this one is a kind of a fusion remix song. So let's hear Rahul Manchu.
बेयारो तीर मोलाय नाचमाय चनी बेयारो तीर मोलाय नाचमाय चनी लोग थक्याय बेपरवाय नाचमाय चनी बेयारो तीर मोलाय नाचमाय चनी लाल रोये साल कर हई प्याल बर हई पानी लाल रोये साल कर हई प्याल बर हई पानी थाल शिरीत कुरथम जाय म्याचमाय चनी थाल शिरीत कुरथम जाय म्याचमाय चनी बेयारो तीर मसालाय म्याचमाय चनी सीन मुचरी थाल बावई कीन चल है जिगर सीन मुचरी थाल बावई कीन चल है जिगर दीदार हा कर म्योन पाय म्याचमाय चनी दीदार हा कर म्योन पाय म्याचमाय चनी बेयारो तीर मोलाय म्याचमाय चनी प्यारो
Lovely number by Rahul Vanshu. He's a very talented upcoming Kashmiri singer. We wish him all the best. As Shafalika ji was telling us about the snow, yes, Jammu and Kashmir is full of snow this season. Everywhere on Jammu Hills and in Srinagar, we are getting pictures and videos of snows. A lot of videos are circulating where kids and families are having a fab time in the snow. Moving forward, as I told you, Jammu is a region of temples. It is also a region of Kul Devtas and Kul Datis, and also of Peers. So the next song we have is called Dhol Piranda, and it's also this type of songs are called Kul Devta Di Karak. So in which they talk about the Mahima or the story of the Kul Devtas or the Peers. And there is a Kalivir Devta Peer which is very famous. This song talks about all of them. I seek their blessings for each and every one, so that 2021 is not as bad as we had 2020.
ਮੈਂ ਢੋਲ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਜਾਨਾ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਮਹਿਮਾ ਬਾਵੇ ਦੀ ਗਾਨਾ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਢੋਲ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਜਾਨਾ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਮਹਿਮਾ ਬਾਵੇ ਦੀ ਗਾਨਾ ਹਾਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰਬਾ ਦੇਵੇਂਦਾ, ਹਰ ਥਾਨ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀ ਲਾਨਾ ਹਾਂ। ਜੈ ਕਾਲੀ ਵੀਰ ਬਾਵਾ ਹੋ, जय मंडलिक राजा हो, जय सुरगली बाबा हो, जय सिद्ध गोरिया बाबा हो। मेरे पीरां दी जयकार, मल माता की नमस्कार। काली वीर जी राजा की मिलने आई, आई वजीरी काली वीर बाबा चौपड़ बाजी लाई। बिच करो ते माता कालिका पुजदी मंडी जाई, हुक्मां दी खातिर राजा ते बावा ले आए कपला छड़ाई। वासुकी तारे अजित मली तारे आदित्य लीला लाई। राजा ते बावा बनने लाए घर घर डेरा लाई। जय मंडलिक राजा हो, जय काली वीर बाबा हो। दुई आजरी सिद्ध गोरिया हरिद्वार गे आई जी। हरिद्वार विच सुरगल बाबा लइए मितरी पाई जी। धर्मां दी पग बटांदे दोवें एक दूए दे भाई जी। ਹਰਿਦੁਆਰ ਚ ਮਲ ਮਾਤਾ ਗੀ ਧਰਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਬਣਾਈ ਜੀ ਨਾਗ ਦੇ ਡੰਗੇ ਸੁਰਗਲ ਥਾਨ ਪੁਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਕਸ਼ਟ ਮਿਟਾਈ ਜੀ ਸਿੱਧ ਤੇ ਸੁਰਗਲ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਕੰਨੇ ਮਲ ਮਾਈ ਜੀ ਜੈ ਮਲ ਮਾਤਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਸਿੱਧ ਸੁਰਗਲ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੋ ਮੱਕਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਪੰਜ ਪੀਰ ਨੇ ਉਤਰੇ ਲਾਲ ਮਲੰਗਾ ਜੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਪੰਜ ਪੀਰ ਤੇ 6 ਲੱਖ ਦਾਤਾ ਅਰਸ਼ਾਦਾ ਉਤਰੀਏ ਜੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਪੰਜੇ ਪੀਰੇ ਕੱਕੀ ਕੋੜਗੀ ਲਈਏ ਕਾਠੀ ਪਾਈ ਜੀ ਪੰਜ ਪੀਰ ਦੀ ਚੌਕੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਲੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਜੀ ਯਾਰਵੀਂ ਪੀਰ ਜੋ ਮੱਕੇ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਕਸ਼ਟ ਮਿਟਾਈ ਜੀ ਪੀਰ ਨੇ ਆਜਾਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਤੇਲ ਚਿਰਾਗ ਚ ਪਾਈ ਜੀ ਜੈ ਪੀਰ ਫਕੀਰਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਪੰਜ ਪੀਰਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਕਾਲੀ ਵੀਰ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਮੰਡਲਿਕ ਰਾਜਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਸੁਰਗਲ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੋ ਜੈ ਸਿੱਧ ਗੋਰੀਆ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੈਕਾਰ ਮਲ ਮਾਤਾ ਕੀ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ
ਜੈ ਬਾਵੇ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਇਹ ਕਾਰਕ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਈ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਕਾਰਕਾਂ ਗੀਤ ਭਗਤੀ ਗੀਤ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਗਾਣੇ ਸੁਣਨੇ ਆ
Nice song, Lalit. So I was telling you about the winter in Kashmir and Jammu. Although Jammu doesn't have snowfall, the main city, but surroundings, Poonch, Rajouri, they all. Patnitop is very famous for snowfall. We haven't had any snowfall here. I mean, in Essex, London this year, because there was a prediction of white Christmas, but maybe soon. Yeah, so but it's been really cold. You know, it's been -1, -2, so it does feel really cold at the moment. So yeah, I mean, we are hoping that this new year brings some happy days. I hope finally, but it's not looking too hopeful at the moment. So maybe with nice songs and chatting to our audience, maybe that will be a good time pass. And we've had this Kashmir festival for the last 1 month, and it's been really, really nice. We've had artists, we've had doctors, we've had philanthropists, business people talking about Kashmir and their contribution. Yeah, it's been really, really interesting. It's been on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and through the festival I contacted quite a few Kashmiri artists, singers and all, and I'm amazed how some of the new crop of singers, they are so nice, and I think they are staying away from YouTube, they were saying. So a lot of them are promoting their own CDs, their own promos. So it is a different way of releasing songs, I guess, at the moment. But that's good for our episode, so we'll play them slowly over the year. So, but in the meantime, while new releases are being released, let's hear to an old one by Vijay Malla, the original maestro of Kashmiri songs. Like I said, Rahul, he sung the remix, but this is Vijay Mallaji singing an original song which was very famous in its time, but it is an old one. It was released in the 90s or even before, I think 80s. So let's hear this one.
चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम म्यानी यारो क्या ज मशरूत वफा म्यानी यारो क्या ज मशरूत वफा चान बापत तान सरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम सित्यहना हिच दोद ललum कठ दपान सित्यहना हिच दो ललum कठ दपान अजल पेठ वुच जख्म करी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोल दागदरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम पोश लंज पेठ आए बामन नज फलित पोश लंज पेठ आए बामन नज फलित सोत कालच साल वरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम चान लोलच दागदरी मीरतुम दर्द गम तई नाल जरी दागदरी मेरटूं पत्थर टिथ छुई चो दामन नज मुनीर पत्थर टिथ छुई चो दामन नज मुनीर जेर दामा रस्त गरी मेरटूं चान लोलच दागदरी मेरटूं चान लोलच दागदरी मेरटूं दर्द गौते नाल जरी मेरटूं दर्द गौते नाल जरी मेरटूं चान लोलच दागदरी मेरटूं 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 मेरटूं
What a lovely song. The original maestro will always remain the original. Vijay Mallaji and his voice. Very soothing and a beautiful song. From here we move on to our next Dogri song. The next Dogri song is really special again because it has been, it is a very upcoming and a new number which only came out on 3rd of January. And it has been sung by our very famous singer called Sars Bharti, who's from Ramnagar area in Udhampur. She's the daughter of our famous Dogri artist Rumalo Ramji, and they are the ones who are taking Dogri and the culture of Dogras ahead. Sars Bharti has sung this song with another artist from Himachal, and it's a mixture of Dogri and Himachali Dogri. As you know, in the past, ages back, part of Himachal was also part of Dogar Desh. So a lot of places in Himachal also speaks Dogri, and some of the Himachali is very much similar to Dogri. There are few words which change, like we say Tugi and they say Tinjo. So it's like very similar. So I hope you'll enjoy this song, which goes like Lachi Shimlebi.
छोरी तीजो डेट करावा ऐश्वर ना तीजो वेट करावा चंडीगढ़ दे शॉपिंग सेंटर शॉपिंग हाई रेट करावा सैर करौनी तीजो जोगान दी पावे यारा जो पैसा तेरे पीछा दिखना ओ लाचिए शिमले दिए तेरा चंदे दे राशन का नाम लिखना शिमले दिए तेरा चंदे दे राशन का नाम लिखना
आजकल दे छोरुआं दा ना कोई भरोसा जी इग्नोर तिजो कर दिया ना रोते रोसा जी टेंशन नहीं लेनी मैं ब्रेकअप दी वे बाय गॉड तू ट्रू है दा कोई ना प्रूफ है
चल छोरी तिजो कोट ले जावा मैरिज वाली डेट करावा 5 वकीला जजा सामने लाइफ टाइम दी गारंटी पावा करदा कमिटमेंट नाल तेरे तिजो पलका ते सारी उम्र मैं बिठा के रखना ओ लाचिए शिमले दिए तेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखना
मैं लाचिया शिमले दी वे तेरे चंबे दे चोगन मैंने बसना
ओ लाचिए शिमले दिए तेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखना
शैल ते शिवला में जो लगदा ये क्यूट वे फैशन अप टू डेट तेरा करदा तिजो सूट वे सुनिया ए फैन तेरी कुड़ियां ने बथेरियां कर दी जो प्रॉमिस जी मैं तेरियां
प्यार मेरे ते ना डाउट करना दिल दुखाया ता शाउट करना नाम तेरा मेरे हर एक साथ नाल ही जीना नाल ही मरना तू अफसरारी शादी परी चंगा लगना नहीं तेरे बिना कोई और दिखना ओ लाचिए
मैं लाचिया शिमले दी वे मेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखवा
ओ लाचिए शिमले दिए तेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखना
मैं लाचिया शिमले दी वे मेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखवा
ओ लाचिए शिमले दिए तेरा चंबे दे राशन का नाम लिखना
नमस्कार, जय डुग्गर, जय मांडोगरी। मैं हूँ सरस भारती और अभी आप देख रहे थे हमारा डेब्यू ट्रैक लाची शिमले दी। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको पसंद आया होगा और अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करना ना भूलिए। और हाँ, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम इस एल्बम के और ट्रैक आप सभी के बीच में लाएं तो जल्दी से इसका 1 मिलियन कर दीजिए और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब।
Excellent. So as we are moving on in the program, again a very nice collection of songs, and I hope the audience the listeners are enjoying it. We have a good collection of old and new songs which we are going to play in the new year every Friday. But today there's a new singer in Kashmiri. I don't think we have played him before, and he's Ghulam Nabi Sheikh. He was very famous for in the 70s and in the 70s and the 80s. And when I was small, I used to listen to him because he was so young. He had quite a very fresh voice at that time. I must say, I haven't heard him for the last at least 30 years. So I was just wondering where he is now, because there's nothing much on the media about him. So I'm hoping he's still singing, because his voice, as you will hear, is quite refreshing. Although he is singing with a chorus as well. So let's listen to this, another very popular song, as we carry on our discussion on Jammu and Kashmir.
नेरी नेरी वैसिए आंगने नेरी नेरी वैसिए सांगने बेर पन्ने शये बेर पन्ने शये मन दयन गई सई मन दयन
ਮੁੱਠ ਸਹੀ ਲਏ ਤਨ ਮੁੱਠ ਸਹੀ ਲਏ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਸੀਏ ਯਾਰ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਮੇਰ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ੇ ਮੇਰ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ੇ नार कर तल करना नार कर तल दार उश छूंदे संत वगन वन बदिम से संत वगन वन बदिम से रूदम कत्सना शे कर क्या वसीए नन्यास कर क्या वसीए बर कर वसीए बर कर वसीए गुल बाद मन लजमा फुलिया गुल बाद मन लजमा फुलिया पूछने कौन ये पूछने कौन ये मेरी मेरी वसीए यार सामने मेरे पन्ने से मेरे पन्ने से मेरी मेरी वसीए यार सामने मेरे पन्ने से मेरे पन्ने से मन दियन में गई सही मन दियन में गई सही तन मुठ सही लए तन मुठ सही लए तन मुठ सही लए
Wow, lovely soothing voice. You were right about Ghulam Nabi Sheikh Ji. His voice really does justice to the song, and it is very soothing, and the way he sings is like it's very effortless. He's singing very effortlessly. I hope wherever he is, he sometimes listens to our program and he gets to hear what we have to say about him. So moving from there, we come to our next Dogri song from Jammu, and this song is again about like nowadays in Corona time, how we all are stuck in lockdown, we all are away from our loved ones. The people who have family back in India cannot go and meet their family, parents, or siblings. So this song talks about emotional angle. It is Tere Bagair Kiyan Jeena Moya. Though it is talking about the lover, that how would I live without you? But we can all relate to it with, if not with lover, to anybody. How would we live without our parents or without our siblings, without seeing them? So this is an emotional song, and the singer is Ashok Kumar Hansji.
Nice, very nice song. I am enjoying myself a lot, Lalit, and in between our conversation is just keeping us going on. So I was thinking, what should we do in the new year? What are we going to talk about? So we will have to have a think. So we have talked about places to visit. We will have, I think, at least two episodes on food, because, like I said, in the Kashmir Festival we had various episodes, and I was in charge of the food one.
Wow.
So I have just telecast an episode on Kashmiri food. It was so awesome, when I did some research on it, talked to lots of chefs and the variety of food. So we can talk about food in Jammu and Kashmir. That will easily take 2 or 3 sessions.
Exactly.
And the other thing I was thinking about music, we should explore it a bit more, maybe talk about musical instruments. Because as you know, Lalit, there are some instruments which are quite unique to the Union Territory.
Mhm.
Like, for instance, in Kashmir, there's things like rabab,
Rabab, yeah.
there is the santoor. Santoor is really famous all over the world now, but it has its origins in Santoor.
Mm.
And I was talking to a few santoor musicians from Kashmir. It is so soothing. So we will talk about its origins. And there is something called note. It is like a matki,
Yeah.
and you have to just and the sound it makes is really so special. So when you hear the Kashmiri songs, there's always in the background that noise, that sound of matki. So yeah, and likewise in Jammu there are quite a few unique music instruments. So we should talk about that as well,
Definitely.
Lalit, and take the audience through a real journey of Jammu and Kashmir. Yeah, so that's
And
the
also
aim.
some amazing musicians. Like, not many people know that, the tabla maestro. Why I'm not
Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain, and his father is a Dogra from Jammu region.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So
So we will we will improve our knowledge
yeah.
and the knowledge of the audience as well. So let's hear another Kashmiri song. It is again played in a chorus, like I said, all the music there are some very specific instruments which have to be a part of the chorus. So let's hear, especially for the various musical instruments that are being played in this
Oh,
song.
before I let you go, I started the show with saying, how do you say Happy New Year in Dogri? Why don't you say Happy New Year in Kashmiri?
Yeah, oh, I will have to think. And you say, no, very Mubarak,
Yeah.
and or no, very Posh. Now, the
No,
thing
very
is,
Pushta,
in
yeah.
Kashmiri, the New Year starts slightly later, and I think in other communities as well. So, our New Year is really in March.
Yeah.
When the apple blossoms and the cherry blossoms come and people go out and have picnics in parks,
Yeah.
that's where the New Year starts. But yeah, this is our New Year. We celebrate it twice.
And
So-
just for Jammu region, it starts next week when we will talk about it. The biggest festival of Jammu region is Lodi, and Lodi happens on
Oh
13th.
yes.
And then on 14th is Makar Sankranti. That's actually our New Year. For Makar Sankranti, our New Year starts. So next week we will talk and touch upon Lodi and Makar Sankranti. For now,
Absolutely.
let's play the fabulous Kashmiri song Havade Sario, if I pronounced it right.
Absolutely.
आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे महदाद रसछु माद नर सब इस्ताद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे
सारू अश्क चूरन हुस्न बागस थोनम पाए अश्क चूरन हुस्न बागस थोनम पाए देवार लूरी वार करनम आवार गिए देवार वार करनम आवार गिए आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू खूनी जिगर होर मैं क्या जोनी गिंदान खूनी जिगर होर मैं छै चूनी जेबान कुनी पटवार बुझहत बे छै चूनी जेबान कुनी पटवार बुझहत बे आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू जानन मेस छुज करमु शाहान बे जानन मेस छुज करमु शाहान बे मेहपान दित मई दिल तशिल ईमान से मेहपान दित मई दिल तशिल ईमान से आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू कन दूर छुह वन कसवन आह नए कन दूर छुह वन कसवन आह नए यन दूर गो तन छम तन ते ऐलान रे यन दूर गऊ हम तन छम तन ते ऐलान रे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे मेहदाद रसू माद नर सब इस्ताद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारो
Wow, that was a nice song. And with this song, we have almost come to the end of our first session of 2021. We know that we all are in lockdown. We all are going through very tough times again. As our Prime Minister has said, let's all of us be responsible enough for ourselves and for the people we love around us. Let's follow the rules. Let's not mingle. Let's take care of us because this new variant is going around like fire. So let's not let it spread. The responsibility also lies on us. With this thought, I would like to say good night. Have a nice weekend, and we shall see you next week, Friday, same time, same place. Good night.
Good night, everybody. See you next week.